Alright, so today I'm gonna be doing this 2008 Chrysler Pacifica front brake pad replacement. Let me get the car all jacked up and I'll be right back.
I see it.
Alright, so I got the car all jacked up. So you gotta take off this bolt right here and this bolt right there. Those are both 14 millimeters. So let me get those off and I'll be right back. Alright, so once you take these two bolts off, just two small ones, it's gonna take some wiggling to get it off. I didn't spray no WD-40 or nothing, I forgot it, but cause it's so rusty, it's gonna take some time to get it off. So yeah, these were definitely low, as you can see. So you just grab the new brake pads. Let me go grab those real quick. And oh yeah, you do need a caliper pusher to push the caliper back. Okay, yeah, here's the brake pads. So this is what I got from O'Reilly's. It's real nice. Just excuse me real quick, babe. So so what you do right here, push that back. Hold on. So you put it, slide it in there and just push it. So let me push this caliper back and I'll be right back. Alright, so I pushed it back. So basically it's just like Legos, man. You just, I swear I say this all the time, you just line it up with the bracket, just push it in there. Do the same for the other side. Just line it up with the bracket. Oh, I gotta take that old one out. But yeah, just take the old one out. This is all rusted and shit. Throw them back in the box. And you're ready to roll, just like that. Make sure that caliper is pushed back because you won't be able to put it back on if they're not. You won't be able to put the caliper back on if it's not pushed back. So that's basically what you do, man. And hope you guys enjoy the video, and thanks for